There is a business model built around your car breaking down. Parts departments, labor hours, diagnostic fees, extended warranties. The entire back half of every dealership runs on the assumption that what they sold you in the front half will eventually fail. For most vehicles, that assumption is correct. The average American hands over $894 per year to mechanics for unscheduled repairs alone. Not scheduled maintenance, not oil changes, not tires, just things that broke. The 7 SUVs on this list are a problem for that business model. Consumer Reports pulled data from its 2026 Vehicle Reliability Survey. 330,000 owner responses, 17 trouble categories per vehicle, covering everything from engine internals to door seals. These 7 SUVs scored at the top. Not top 10%, not above average. These are the vehicles whose owners reported so few problems that Consumer Reports marked them with a 5 out of 5 predicted reliability rating, the highest score the organization gives. Some of them have held that score for 4 consecutive years without dropping once. Your mechanic will see these vehicles once a year for an oil change. That is the entire visit. Number 7, the Subaru Forester. Subaru spent most of the 2000s with a reputation problem. The EJ series boxer engines that powered the Forester, Outback, and Impreza through 2018 had a documented head gasket failure pattern that showed up reliably between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. Mechanics loved those cars. Owners did not. Subaru replaced the EJ25 with the FA25, a completely redesigned 2.5-liter naturally aspirated boxer 4-cylinder for the 2019 Forester. The head gasket problem did not follow it. Consumer Reports gives the current Forester a 4 out of 5 predicted reliability score for 2026, with owner-reported problems concentrated almost entirely in infotainment. The drivetrain, suspension, body hardware, and climate systems score above segment average. RepairPal puts average Forester annual repair costs at $368, the second lowest of any compact SUV in the database. Symmetrical all-wheel drive is standard on every single trim. There is no base model penalty for wanting capability in winter. The old Subaru is not this Subaru. Used Forester prices from 2019 through 2022, approximately $19,000 to $28,000. Number 6, the Honda CR-V Hybrid. The standard CR-V scores 3 out of 5 in Consumer Reports 2026 data. The CR-V Hybrid scores 4 out of 5. Same body, same interior, one full reliability point of separation. Because the powertrain is fundamentally different, Honda's 2-motor hybrid system eliminates the conventional automatic transmission entirely. At low speeds, the electric motors drive the wheels directly. The 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine functions primarily as a generator, not as the principal drive source in city conditions. The components that fail most often in conventional SUVs, torque converters, clutch packs, planetary gear sets under constant load, are simply not present in the same form. Fewer components means fewer failure points. The math is not complicated. Consumer Reports owner surveys show the CR-V Hybrid's drivetrain scoring above average every model year since 2020. CarEdge estimates 10-year maintenance at approximately $7,900, and well below the compact SUV segment average. J.D. Power gave the 2025 CR-V Hybrid 81 out of 100. Used CR-V Hybrid prices from 2020 through 2023, approximately $26,000 to $37,000. Number 5, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. IC Cars analyzed over 312 million vehicle records for its 2025 longevity study and ranked the RAV4 Hybrid 14th among all vehicles, every car, truck, and SUV sold in America, for probability of reaching 250,000 miles. The segment average for compact SUVs sits well below 5%. The RAV4 Hybrid came in at 17.4%. Consumer Reports gives it 5 out of 5 for 2026 predicted reliability. That score has held since the 2021 model year. RepairPal puts the RAV4 at $429 per year in average repair costs, below the all-vehicle industry average of $652 and nearly $400 per year below the average German compact SUV. The 2.5-liter dynamic force engine inside the RAV4 Hybrid uses both port and direct injection. Port injection keeps intake valves clean, which is the precise failure mode that plagues single-port GDI engines across the European luxury segment. Toyota did not add this feature for performance. and added it because carbon buildup on intake valves is a documented long-term reliability problem, and they engineered around it before it became their problem. Avoid the 2019 and early 2020 model year RAV4 hybrids. Minor hybrid system software issues were reported before Toyota issued corrections. The 2021 and newer is the clean target. Used RAV4 hybrid prices from 2021 through 2023, approximately $31,000 to $44,000. Number 4, the Mazda CX-5. RepairPal ranks the Mazda CX-5 first out of 26 compact SUVs for reliability. Not second, not third, first, with a 5 out of 5 rating and average annual repair cost of $310. That is $342 per year below the all-vehicle industry average. Over 10 years, that is $3,000. And $420 that owners of competing vehicles spent on repairs that CX-5 owners did not. Consumer Reports gives the CX-5 5 out of 5 for 2026, a score it has held for 4 straight model years. Owner-reported problems are below average in every mechanical category. The only consistent complaint across owner forums is the infotainment interface, which Mazda has updated multiple times without fully resolving. The touchpad control layout divides opinion. The drivetrain does not. The 2.5-liter Skyactiv G naturally aspirated 4-cylinder has been in continuous production since 2012. It uses port injection. No turbocharger in the base through Grand Touring trims. On the turbo variant adds a 2.5-liter turbocharged unit and more power. Buyers focused on a 10-year running cost record should stay with the naturally aspirated trims, where the reliability documentation is longest and the mechanical picture is simplest. IC Cars rates the CX-5 8.6 out of 10. Used CX-5 prices from 2018 through 2022, approximately $18,000 to $32,000. Number 3, the Toyota Highlander. Most 3-row SUVs have a reliability problem. The Ford Explorer averages $748 per year in unscheduled repairs. The Volkswagen Atlas scores 2 out of 5 in Consumer Reports 2026 data. The Jeep Grand Cherokee L has a 1 out of 5 predicted reliability score, the lowest rating Consumer Reports gives. The segment, as a category, is not kind to owners. The Toyota Highlander is the exception. Consumer Reports gives the 2026 Highlander 5 out of 5. JD Power scored the 2025 Model 85 out of 100. IC Cars places the Highlander Hybrid third among all vehicles, not just SUVs, all vehicles. In its 2025 longevity study, Toyota has been engineering mid-sized 3-row SUVs on related platforms for over 2 decades. The failure modes are known, the fixes are documented, independent shops carry the parts. Owners are not dependent on a dealership network to keep the vehicle on the road. CarEdge estimates 10-year Highlander maintenance at approximately $9,100, $3,000 below the segment average. Used Highlander prices from 2020 through 2022, approximately $33,000 to $48,000. Number 2, the Lexus NX 350H. The Lexus NX was redesigned for 2022. First-year redesigns are where reliability records typically suffer. New platforms, new software, new manufacturing processes, and real-world owners finding problems that engineers missed. The 2022 NX had a difficult launch. The plug-in hybrid variant logged elevated owner-reported issues with hybrid system warnings and software errors. Consumer Reports held its recommendation. By 2023, Toyota had issued corrections. By 2024, the owner-reported data had normalized. The 2026 Consumer Reports data gives the NX 350H, the standard hybrid, not the plug-in, 5 out of 5 predicted reliability. And that recovery from a troubled launch to the top reliability rating in the luxury compact SUV segment within 3 model years reflects what happens when a platform with known good mechanical architecture gets its software sorted. The NX 350H uses Toyota's 5th generation hybrid system, more efficient and more powerful than the 4th generation unit in the UX, paired with a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine, no conventional transmission, reduced drivetrain wear and stop-and-go conditions, repair Repair Pal puts the Lexus brand average at $551 per year, below the all-vehicle industry average and less than 60% of what BMW owners pay annually. J.D. Power gave the 2025 NX 86 out of 100. CarEdge estimates 5-year NX 350H ownership costs below the luxury compact SUV segment average. On to used NX 350H prices from 2023 onward, approximately $38,000 to $52,000. Number 1. The Toyota RAV4 Prime. Consumer Reports gave the Toyota RAV4 Prime 5 out of 5 for 2026. It ranked first among all plug-in hybrid SUVs. It ranked first in the compact SUV segment. When Consumer Reports stacked every SUV category it evaluates against one another, the RAV4 Prime sat at the top of the combined owner-reported reliability data. The engineering reason is worth understanding. The RAV4 Prime runs on battery power for an EPA-rated 42 miles before the hybrid system engages. For owners covering average American daily commute distances, under 40 miles for the majority of drivers, the combustion engine does not start most days. An engine that does not run does not wear. Maintenance intervals stretch. The components that fail in high cycle commuter use simply cycle less often. The RAV4 Prime's reliability advantage is partly mechanical and partly mathematical. Fewer engine starts means fewer opportunities for the failure modes that end other vehicles' lives early. Toyota reported 0 major drivetrain recalls on the RAV4 Prime through the 2024 model year. Consumer Reports has recommended it every year since its 2021 introduction. J.D. Power scored the 2025 RAV4 Prime 87 out of 100. IC Cars rates it 8.8 out of 10. Federal tax credits of up to $7,500 apply to new RAV4 Prime purchases where buyer income qualifies. Used RAV4 Prime prices from 2021 through 2023, approximately $38,000 to $52,000. On $310 per year. That is the CX-5, the most expensive vehicle on this list by Repair Pal's repair cost measure. The industry average is $652. The average luxury SUV costs over $1,000 annually in unscheduled work alone. There is a business model built around your car breaking down. These 7 SUVs are not participating in it.